Narrated by Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu anha. One day while the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting in the company of some people, the angel Jibril alayhi salam came and asked, "What is faith?" Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "Faith is to believe in Allah, His angels, the meeting with Him, His apostles, and to believe in resurrection." Then he further asked, "What is Islam?" Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "To worship Allah alone and none else, to offer prayers perfectly, to pay the compulsory charity zakat, and to observe fast during the months of Ramadan." Then he further asked, "What is ihsan, perfection?" Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "To worship Allah as if you see Him, and if you cannot achieve this state of devotion, then you must consider that He is looking at you." Then he further asked, "When will the hour be established?" Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "The answer has no better knowledge than the questioner, but I will inform you about its portents. Number 1. When a slave lady gives birth to her master. Number 2. When the shepherds of black camels start boasting and competing with others in the constructions of higher buildings, and the hour is one of the 5 things which nobody knows except Allah." The Prophet ﷺ then recited, "Verily with Allah alone is the knowledge of the hour." Then that man Jibril left, and the Prophet ﷺ asked his companions to call him back, but they could not see him. Then the Prophet ﷺ said, "That was Jibril who came to teach the people their religion." Abu Abdullah said, "He, the Prophet, considered all that as a part of faith."